Oh my God, I have to go up there?
Yep. Oh, this is a road.
I know, but still, there's a ledge there.
Well, we got to get up on top of here.
Do we have to come back down this way?
We do. You're doing great. Breathe.
That's right.
Breathe. This is just a regular dirt road.
It's bumpy as all
It
shit.
is. At one time, they used to grade this road.
Oh, geez, that scared me.
Breathe.
Jeez. It's going to be bumpy here.
It's going to be bumpy.
Oh my God, we have to go up one more?
Probably two. We're fine. Well, stable.
Definitely conquering my... Not going to conquer my fear of heights. I think I'll always be afraid of heights.
Just dealing with it.
Right. Ooh. Okay, but I gotta stop and I'm starting to sweat.
Okay. Go ahead and take your seatbelt off.
Oh,
You're doing great. You can do this. You've got this.
I got this.
Yeah.
Straight?
Yep, we'll just go straight. Okay, now you can turn towards me. Yep, a little more towards me. Yep, okay. We're going to bring that front tire up right now. Yep. Come on towards me. Come on towards me. And there, we stayed away from the edge.
Okay.
Pull forward. Come on, a little more. A little more. All right. Now we'll cut hard. Stop. And we'll do a hard passenger or driver and back up. Just a little. We've got 10 feet we can back up. So come on. Yep. Come on. Come on back. You got lots of room. Come on back. A little more. There you go.
Oh.
No. We're still ways away. Now you just crank it hard and go on down the road.
Oh, we gotta go up another one of these things?
Yeah. I think it's the last one. This is the worst one. This corner is the worst. We've come and worked on this corner multiple times as the Red Rock four-wheelers. Yep, this is the last one. Once we're on top, it levels out. You've got it. Just keep it held and go on up.
I'm gonna be shitting my pants when I come back down this thing.
You're gonna do just fine. Cobblestone, just like...
That's the street I live on.
Cobblestone?
Cobblestone Drive.
There you go. Well, this is a true cobblestone hill.
Oh my God, I'm gonna be flipping out coming down.
You'll be over here on my side.
Oh.
Breathe. All right. And you know you can hang over on my side.
Yeah, I know, but it's really bumpy.
It is. But we can crawl them rocks, no problem.
No, I know, but it's bumpy. That scares me.
See, right here, I'd stay just a little more passenger, and I'd go straight up here instead of going up over there. I'd come up here and then turn. We're good. Breathe.
Whoa!
Breathe.
Oh.
Breathe. You can do this. You've got this.
Oh, Jesus.
Just a bump.
Okay. Oh, oh.
You're on top. That little side. Oh, that's, yeah. I guess we're gonna be over there. That's where that little side by side is. All right. Yep. He's fine. There's 4. All right.